So I have a 2007 Jeep Wrangler and I have the check engine light. I reset it with one of the reset tools and it just keeps coming back on. Also, I have to get the car inspected for registration, and I failed my inspection because of the exhaust. So I went to not Home Depot. I went to one of the auto stores and I bought a valve. So hopefully it fixes it. Stand by. So here is the valve I purchased, the replacement valve here, and it goes right here, right at the top of the engine. I believe there are just a couple disconnects. Should be pretty straightforward. Stand by. Okay, so I'm going to try to push this. There you go. Pushes over. Pretty straightforward. I'm going to hold down here, hold that up, slides right off. Okay. Alright, so I have two more connections here, one on the side, one at the bottom. Let me try to figure these out. Stop it. Okay, so next is get underneath here and push. Okay, all right, so got it off. Second one is off. Next, I have one at the bottom. I need to remove the clamps on both sides. So I need to get those off. They're just compression, so it's just testy to get them off. Next, I have to pull it off here. It makes it a lot easier. Okay. That's right. And the other side. There you go. Perfect. Here it is. Identical to the part I need to replace. So I need to take this clamp and this clamp off and put it on the replacement part. Okay, stand by. Turn it off. So good morning. Yesterday I installed a purge valve in the Jeep to see if I could get rid of this check engine light. Ran it for a bit. As you can see, the light is on. I have a tool which can turn the light off. I used my tool, reset the light, got it to go off, ran it for a couple times. The light is still back on. I'm getting a low pressure error on my Jeep Wrangler 2007. So I purchased another part, So I went to the auto store, purchased another part. I got a evaporative emission systems leak detection pump. Okay, so I need to install that underneath the car by the fuel tank. So let's see if that works to get rid of this check engine light. Stand by. Okay, so I'm under the Jeep and I'm laying on my back, and this is my view of the part that I need to replace right here. This is what you're going to be looking at right there. It's on the driver's side of the car to the rear, near the exhaust right there. And so here's the wheel, and there's the part right there. Need to remove this, need to remove this hose, this electrical connection, and then there's a slight twist. Okay, so stand by. Okay, now to remove this electrical part here, little lessons learned. What you need to do is to get a thin screwdriver, flathead, insert it in here. There's a little tab, and then pull from the top and the bottom. Do not pull from the wire, because you may have a wire issue. But once you lift it here, you can pull it off. Okay, pretty straightforward. All right, now I need to put the phone down to work the next one. Okay, so I'm on my back here in the garage. Next step to remove this part. So what you need to do is push in this piece down at the bottom and turn counterclockwise. Okay? Alright, I don't think I can do it holding the phone, but I'm going to give it a try. Counterclockwise means I'm going this way here. Okay, so counterclockwise. Hey, pretty easy. Okay, so you turn it counterclockwise, and it should come right off. Okay, so you can see the part is off now. Just had to yank it off, and once I had it turned, so now it's time to get the replacement part and start the reassembly. Okay, I am installing the replacement, and it just fits on. And this time we'll give it a clockwise turn. Okay, so we'll see if it clicks in here with the clockwise turn. Okay, hopefully this works out. We fit it on. Clicks right in there. Perfect. Okay, so I will attach the electrical connection here. Should snap right on. Perfect. And then this last hose here, push that on. We're done. Hopefully this works. I'm tired of buying parts. Okay, so let's see if we can get the code to stay off this time.